To AgriLife channel. AgriLife channel is dedicated for biological inputs for crop nutrition and crop protection. Today we are talking about a product, Margosome NF. Margosome is based on neem. Neem is a very product popular among most farmers. Indian farmers know neem for centuries. For thousands of years, neem cake, neem oil has been used as a product which can address many fungal diseases and many insect problems. When we use modern chemistry, modern technology to ancient knowledge, we can come out with a wonderful new product. Like that, Margosome NF means Margosome is a neem-based fungicide, a brand name of AgriLife, and NF is neem fungicide. What exactly is Margosome NF? Margosome NF is neem oil-based product. We take the neem fruit, remove the pulp, take the neem kernel, and this neem kernel is pressed, what we call cold pressed neem kernel oil. Cold pressed neem kernel oil is extracted, and this is formulated by a unique process in which it forms, when we spray along with water, it forms a thin layer on the leaf, but it permeates the movement of air into the stomata. Carbon dioxide will go into stomata. Sunlight goes through stomata. So it doesn't disturb the process of photosynthesis. Only thing is, advantage is that this thin layer of the liquid, which is Margosome NF, at the age of 10 ml per liter of water, when we spray it on the plant, it forms a thin layer and becomes sort of offers a resistance for mycelial penetration. When you offer resistance to mycelial penetration, naturally plant pathogenicity comes down drastically. Therefore, under normal conditions of crop production, when we use Margosome NF, it offers barrier to plant pathogenic fungi from penetrating into the leaf system. Margosome NF is approved for use in organic agriculture. It has shelf life of 2 years under ambient conditions, compatible with all chemical insecticides, fungicides, compatible with all biological products, nutrition products, soluble fertilizers, hormones. Like this is a very versatile product. It can be kept under ambient conditions for more than 2 years, and the dose of the product is 10 ml per liter of water. It means approximately 5 liters of product is required per hectare. We need to give a follow-up spray 1 week after first application. Under organic farming conditions, normally when they use Margosome NF periodically, range of fungal diseases get suppressed considerably.
What are the formulations offered?
There's only one formulation, basically based on oil-based formulation, and there's only a single formulation. It's available in various pack sizes of 1 liter, half liter, 5 liter, 25 liter, and can be stored under ambient conditions. Thank you very much.